Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad decoration. Start by selecting a mix of colorful fruits and wash them thoroughly, then dry carefully. Slice into a variety of shapes and sizes, using rounds, wedges, and small cubes to build layers. Arrange larger pieces first, then tuck smaller fragments into gaps. Finish with a light citrus drizzle and garnish to brighten flavors and appearance for an inviting presentation. Use simple techniques to elevate your fruit salad decoration and keep things approachable. Try a melon baller for neat spheres, fan thin apple or pear slices into petals, and layer citrus rings for dramatic circles. Alternate colors and sizes as you build outward, and use herbs like mint to separate flavor zones. Think of the plate as a blank canvas and work in sections for a balanced, inviting arrangement everyone will notice. If you're enjoying these fruit salad tips, please subscribe and like to support more simple kitchen tricks. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh, cool scent that pairs oddly well with bright citrus aromas. It's a fun little upgrade when you're driving to a picnic or party. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Finish your fruit salad decoration by adding elements that add texture and aroma without overpowering fruit. Drizzle a light citrus or honey dressing sparingly so nothing becomes soggy, and sprinkle chopped nuts or toasted seeds for a satisfying crunch. Place a few edible flowers or mint leaves strategically to add pops of color. Taste as you go and adjust sweetness with a little honey if needed for balance and cohesion on the plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.